note that you must work and you must work effectively. We must see the result in Plateau. This violence must not resurge. You must stamp it and stamp it out completely once and for all. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Yes. Good. You have pledged your readiness. I expect this in the actions you will take in the field. I wish you the very best. My lines are open. If you have any challenge, any questions, please just send in a message. We will respond accordingly. So, all the very best. Thank you. Plateau! Open orders, march! Hands clean, hands clean, hands clean, hands clean.